Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add PowerPoint curtain opening animation effect. To start, open PowerPoint. Here in the Start menu, click on New Slide. You're going to drag that slide to the top. After that, in the Insert menu, click on Pictures and select this device. Here, select the curtain image to use and click Insert. When you do, adjust the image on the slide. Once done, in the Insert menu, click on Shapes. Select the rectangle and on the slide, trace this shape in the middle of the curtain. Then click on Shape Fill and select the color black. Now click on the next slide, go to the Transitions menu, and then click on the Curtains option. You can see this effect being executed. If you want to see it again, click on Preview. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.